Hello YouTube and welcome back to Retro Rewind. Yeah, today we're having a look at a game by Gremlin Graphics. Going all the way back to the early 90s, I believe. And this is Video Kid. So let's have a go, see what it's all about. Yes, we know it's a crackboard fairlight, we don't care about that. So, just got to wait for this to load up. Unfortunately, with the older machines, it does take a while. I've tried looking for a fast forward mode, but it doesn't really work very well. So you'll have to just wait and twiddle your thumbs, same as me. And there'll be plenty of thumb twiddling in a minute when I actually get to play. Right, here we go. So, I don't know what this game is about. I vaguely remember the name, but I don't think I ever got to play it. Here's why it's stupid cough. Right, where am I? So this is a platform or something? Oh, I'm hovering. What am I doing? Oh, it's a shoot 'em up. Okay. That's a bit weird. A very strange idea for a shoot 'em up. Fuck off! Right, go. Oh, gotta get these things. Gotta rush. Hey! No, fuck, don't crash into the ceiling!
No sweat.
It is a fucking sweat, because you're so unfair. Just let me crash into the ceiling. Oh, bollocks off! And your mama too. Shit. Fuck off! Fuck off! Well, difficult.
No sweat.
Stop saying that shit. You know it's not true. I don't know if you got pace. You can press the space bar to get different things to happen. Yes, you can. Hey! The only thing is you've got to take your fingers off control when you're getting annihilated. Thank you.
Well done.
Well done. Oh, completed a level. Good job. Okay. How do you fucking get up there when there's no bloody... Scrolling's fucking awful. Oh, where I'm going. Fuck you! Bugger off!
No sweat.
Shut the fuck up! Right, use this again. Eat me. It's such a weird idea for a shoot 'em up, it really is. Why it's called Video Kid, I don't know, perhaps it's different as he gets through each one, it goes to a different type of scene within a different type of movie. I don't know. No, I've got none of the thingies left. No, I do not want to play again. It's a bit crap, isn't it? Should I have a look at another game? Yeah, why not? Got time, I think. So this one is from 1987, I believe. It's Karate Kid Part 2. Now, I don't know if they ever did a game for the first one. Someone may know better than me, but I couldn't find it in my list of games. So maybe on a different machine, maybe like the 64, perhaps. Anyway, this is loading. Right, okay, so it's a standard beat 'em up. Turn around then, you fuck. Why won't you? Why won't you turn around? Thank you. Fuck a moose. God, fuck me, this is abysmal. Turn around. Right, let's try again, shall we? Go, 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 go. God damn you, son, fuck him up. Yeah, got him. Yeah, got him. Cool. It's fucked up. Oh! I didn't realise that was part of the game. Okay then. Okay, bitch. Turn around. Oh, get the fuck out. Oh well, there we go. Not very good, was it? Yeah, we're gonna leave it there. I think that's enough for today. Yeah, bit craptastic. Hopefully you can hear me over the volume. I've tried messing around with it, but it seems to be different volume levels for different games. So probably not. Probably have my voice drowned out. So there we go. Anyway, we're gonna leave it there. Let me know what you think. Any of these any good to you? I thought they were a bit poor myself. Considering Karate Kid is quite a good movie. Well, the first three anyway. This was a pretty poor tie-in, I think, and that Video Kid thing was just meh. Anyway, there we are. Just do a like, comment, and subscribe, please. And let me know what games you might like me to play. Any system, as long as it makes for a bit of fun and I can get stroppy with it, shall we say. Anyway, thanks ever so much for watching, as I said, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.